I need to jog my memory here on page 96 of all of the equations that I have written thus far. Meaning, what ratios have we written after manipulating the circumference formula? Raise your hand so we can jot them down. Yes, sir.
Like
no, not the actual numbers, just the circumference over diameter equals what?
Radius.
Not radius. Not right now. I'm working. Over what? Or equals what? Pi. That's one. I need another one. Hand. Are you the only one that has these, or are we just not looking back at the beginning of our notes? These are notes, by the way, guys. Yeah, all of that you just tore out your book is for your notes. Yes. Circumference divided by pi. We're just switching the letters and the symbols. Equals what? Equals diameter.
Circumference divided by diameter.
I have that. Circumference over diameter. What? How do I make a diameter?
Circumference divided by radius.
Wait, not just radius. How do I make a diameter?
It's radius to the power of 2.
Not to the power of 2, but times 2. So I need 2 times radius. 2r equals pi as well. Okay, what else is another ratio or formula that we wrote yesterday at the top of our paper? It was like on page 90. Hold on. You cannot be the only one in the room with this information when I provided it to everybody yesterday. Do we not go home and copy these down in our notes?
Oh, I did. Circumference equals... You're looking at your circle sign. Let me look.
That might help, though. What is it?
Circumference equals 2 pi.
That works.
I said that.
It's not a ratio, but it still works. Guys, what's a ratio?
Something over something. The half
It's a fraction. And what's a fraction?
A ratio.
It's a decimal. How do I get a decimal from a fraction? Divide. So it is a division problem. Okay? Top in, bottom out. All right, what were some other ratios that should have been written down? Circumference equals pi times diameter.
Oh, wait, wasn't it pi
Darren uses his belt to measure the distance around a globe at the equator. The distance around a globe at the equator. What measurement would they be talking about? Hands. Yes. Circumference. Darren attempts to measure the distance across the globe as well, but cannot put the belt through the center of the globe. So if he's going across and through the center, what would that be? Diameter. He's going all the way across. Talking is not appropriate right now. How can Darren estimate the distance across the center of the globe using the distance he measured around the globe?
Darren can take his foot.
Yes.
Darren can take the circumference and divide it by pi.
Okay.
And get the diameter, which is about.
He can take the circumference and divide by pi. Why is this so? Because
Circumference divided by pi equals diameter.
good. Circumference divided by pi equals diameter.
Pi. That's a 3,
3 circles are drawn. Circle X has a radius of 9 meters. Circle Y has a diameter of 4.5 meters. And circle Z has a circumference of 9 pi meters. If they write 9 pi, what is 9? What is 9? What measurement is 9? Is it a radius or a diameter? It is a diameter because C equals what?
Diameter times pi.
Diameter, or pi times diameter. So they just took out the D and wrote 9. They kind of flipped it upside down. So my diameter equals 9. Stay focused. So this all the way through is 9. Which of the circles are congruent? What does congruent mean? Equal. Same. Okay? So, what is...
Technically, they're all congruent. It could be.
What is the measurement over here?
18.
No, what measurement is this?
Oh.
9 is what?
Radius.
R is 9. What's my diameter?
18.
18. What is this? A diameter or a radius? Diameter is 4.5. What is my radius?
2.25.
2.25. What is my radius over here?
4.5.
Look at this radius here. Does anyone else have a radius of 9?
No.
Look at this diameter here. Why did I write 8? I should have written 18. Does anyone else have a diameter of 18?
No.
So are any of them congruent?
No.
So what do I say?
No.
Why?
No.
None of them.
None of them are congruent because none of them have the same none of them
Or
have a
radius.
congruent diameter or radius.
None of them are congruent because all of the whats are different.
All of the radius and diameter.
All of the radii is plural for radius.
Huh?
All of the radii and diameters are different.
That was
And
your writing.
diameter.
Writing. I don't know where you got Roswell from, but that is not Roswell.
Stay focused. Yes. Okay, do you want to wait to watch the video? Because there's a video for all of that. And you could just follow along with what we're doing now. Sure. Number 9. Explain how to find the diameter of any circle given the circle's circumference. We just discussed this in question 7. How to find diameter. Diameter equals what? Circumference divided by pi. So how would I say this in words? This is the equation form or the algebraic form. How would I say this in word form? If I have a circumference. Okay, so if you're telling somebody, if you're teaching somebody how to do this, how would you say that? Okay, you're starting from the beginning. I need a complete sentence. What are we doing? Why are we dividing?
You're dividing circumference by pi to get diameter.
Okay, so how do you explain something like this is a recipe? What do you do first? Why are you doing it? What is the goal?
To get diameter.
To calculate a diameter, thank you. You must
divide the circumference of the circle by pi.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You must divide C by pi. Number 10. Go back. Need a little bit more time. My bad. Rim of Michaela's cereal bowl has a circumference of 18 inches. C equals 18 inches. What is the diameter of the cereal bowl? Explain how you know.
Divide 18 by pi.
Circumference is 18. Diameter is unknown. Take 18 and divide it by pi, which is about what? Do I want to use a decimal here? Good. Why?
Dividing 18 by 3, first of all.
18 divided by 3 is 6 point something. Yes.
18 divided by 3 is 6.
What? Yes, so it's about 6 point something.
Oh!
So, how do I know that this is 6 point something?
You divide it.
I didn't just divide.
You multiply to make sure.
Nope, I didn't do any multiplication either. I still hear talking. Why is the diameter around 6?
Wait a minute, you have a circle relationship because up there. I just noticed that. You just noticed what?
Hold on, your classmates are being rude because they're talking while you're trying to explain something very logical. Thank you. Number 11, in the figure shown. Okay, in the figure shown, the radius of circle A is 4 centimeters. Go to circle A and label 4 centimeters. And the diameter of circle B is 5 centimeters. How long is this dotted line here?
Oh, 4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. So how long, hold on, is this all the way across?
8 centimeters.
It is not 18, it is not 8.
It is 13. Oh.
13 centimeters.
Oh.
How did you get 13? So the diameter of what circle? No, nope, not A. Not B. The what? The larger circle. Or largest, because there's 3 of them. 13 centimeters. How to determine the circumference of the large circle that contains circles A and B. So what did we do? We added the diameter of B to the diameter of A, and then we multiply it by what? By pi.